Now, if you already have a social media following on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you can enter the Amazon Influencer Program. And this is another way for you to be able to create a storefront and then promote your Kindle book. And you can test your eligibility fairly quickly by connecting either your YouTube account, your Twitter following, your Facebook account, and/or your Instagram account. Now, you can simultaneously be an influencer as well as an Amazon associate or affiliate. So you'll get additional tools as part of the influencer program in your Amazon Associates account. Now, once you start the application process, you'll be asked for a public name. You'll be asked to write some information about your account. You'll then need to add in your social links. And once you've done that, you'll then click Continue. You'll then upload your storefront logo as well as a background image. You'll then write in a page title, a tagline, and then Amazon will ask you about how you found out about the influencer program. If you're already an existing Amazon associate, you can either create a new store or put your existing store ID in this area. You'll be asked about which products you are going to primarily use. You'll specify that your content is not primarily directed toward children under 13. You'll agree to the terms, and then you'll click Save and Finish. And then if your page has been approved, you'll then be able to create your storefront with the URL that has been given you, and you can start promoting your Kindle books and everything else on your social media account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.